I'm 100% sure that you've come across videos like these at least once on YouTube Shorts or TikTok. And as you can see, they're gaining millions of views, which also means that they're getting thousands of dollars each month. So I directly told myself, I have to try it. I've kept searching all night for the best AI tool that can create these type of videos with minimal effort. That's where I found this new AI tool, which can even generate an entire video script with a single click. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create these AI-generated fake conversations. Therefore, watch the video till the end without skipping any steps. But before we start the video, let's see a preview of what we're doing.
Do I know you? Why are you texting me?
Sorry if this is weird, but I've always thought you looked interesting, so I took the courage to say hi today.
Cool. But who the heck are you? We never spoke before.
I was hoping this is our first time.
You sure have a slow brain. Why aren't you answering my question?
What question?
Who is this?
Someone from your dreams.
You get the point. Now let's dive into the video. Introducing AI Cut, a video generator tool that creates viral videos in minutes. You can create AI image story, captivating background, and many more. We'll explore the fake text feature of this tool, so head over to this tool from the description of this video and sign in with your Google account. Once you've signed in, it will take you to this page. Click on the fake text story option since it's what we are trying to do. Once you do, you'll have the option to start conversation by your own, but I always prefer to use auto-generate script option since it's easier, faster, and more efficient. Now for the prompt, it's really easy. Just simply press on the select prompt template button and you'll have many templates ideas to choose from, like GF suspects, BF cheating, smooth riz, and many more funny and romantic ideas. For this video, I'll use the smooth riz option because I think it's the most trendy option. Then press on enhance prompt to get the best possible outcome from the AI. Furthermore, you can choose the length of the video. I prefer the 30 to 60 second option, since people tend to get bored really fast. Next, choose the language you prefer. Obviously, I'll choose English for this one. Now click Generate. Once the script is generated, you can see the entire script word for word. You can also edit it. Finally, you can also add sound effect when you feel it's needed. Now for the second step, click on this chat option. Here you'll have option to name the person you're talking to. Also, you can add a profile picture. Like this, the chat will seem more realistic. Finally, here you have many chat template you choose from, like Instagram, WhatsApp, and many other options as you can see on the screen. For this video, I'll keep the normal iMessage option. Okay, for the third step, go to background. Then make sure that the aspect ratio for the video is 9:16 for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. So for the actual background, you have many options. It's simply a personal choice. You can upload your own video, or you can use games like Minecraft, GTA, and Subway Surf. You also have the option to add a green screen and then edit it separately if you like. Now for one of the most important steps, the voices. For this, first you need to make sure that the language is in English, then you need to choose the voices for characters. So press on it, and as you can see, you have the option to use voices from OpenAI, but I personally prefer 11 Labs because it has more voices like this.
I'm not interested in age. People who tell me their age are silly. You're as old as...
If you want, you can use an Indian voice.
Hey friend, so this Indian voice is very raw and engaging. It's really good for dialogues.
Or any other language or accent. And of course, there are female voices too.
We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the...
Now do the same for the right side of the chat. Choose the voice that you think is suitable for the video, and just like that, you have your voices ready. Finally, for the last step, we need to add music. Here you have a wide range of music and many genres of music like drama, chill, epic, and many more. You can also upload your own audio, but make sure it's not copyrighted. Or you can keep it without a voice if you want. But I prefer you put a chill background music. It will be more engaging like this. Now all that is left is to click on Create. And as you can see, it only costs us 1 token to create this video. Once you press Create, it will take about 1 to 3 minutes to finish. Now I will show you the final result.
Are you a Wi-Fi signal? Because I'm feeling a strong connection.
Haha, wow, starting with tech? That's low-hanging fruit.
Maybe, but you're my favorite device to spark a reboot.
Careful, or you'll be the reason my phone battery cheers too much.
If Charm was an app, I just updated myself for you.
Can your software handle all this sass?
Only if you promise not to uninstall me after the first date.
Dates with software? I might need an upgrade then.
Perfect, because I'm debugging my schedule just for you.
A bug or a feature? You keep blurring the lines.
The best part about bugs, they're fixable and fun to play with.
So what's your patch, coffee or chaos?
How about coffee that spills secrets and chaos that sparks more laughs?
Tempting.
The free version only allows you to customize image and caption styles, making it look unprofessional. If you want to use it professionally and consistently make money from your YouTube Shorts channel, you must purchase a subscription plan. There are monthly and annual plans. The monthly plan costs $16 per month, and the Automate plan costs $40 per month. I believe it is extremely reasonable because you will get a wide range of features. To purchase a plan, use the link provided below. See how we created a viral fake conversation video in a short period of time? It's a new and great AI tool to try, and you guys can earn dollars by using it. Yes guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you like these kind of videos, feel free to subscribe to ZAK AI, like the video, and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on future videos. If you're interested in more ways to make money with AI, you can check one of these videos below. Thank you guys, see you in the next one, peace.